Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Sorry if the game's like a little too loud, but Anyways, hi, my name is Jay, and today we are going to be playing Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Yes, I didn't know what to do for my first video like ever, but I decided to do Texas Chainsaw. Hopefully you guys liked my first video and stick around to find out what else I'm going to do. I was trying to set up my face cam because I didn't want to be one of those YouTubers who don't really like, I don't know, show what they look like, I guess. Because I'm not afraid, baby girl. But anyways, I guess let's get into the game. And I'll, we're gonna start with victims first, because I'm playing on PC, baby girl. I don't need to, warm up a little bit. But we got into a game. Who do I want to play? I already got the two girly girls, the good girls. Let's go with Miss Vagina. Hey Vagina. Hey girl, how you doing today? I don't know how to use her abilities like that though. Who they have? They don't got nobody they can track, so that's good. So I'm fine. But yeah, Miss Vagina. Miss Anna Wintour. We got Danny. We got Connie from Steven Universe. Let's start it. Let's start the game. Let me out. I might switch my other keyboard because I don't know how to like. I switched my other keyboard because my other one kind of loud and I don't want my mic to pick it up.
What is that?
Okay, let's do this. Let's get it. Oh, I hate this part so much. Bitch, I can just be a man at this point. Like, for real. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Miss Vagina.
This is horrible.
I don't know this map that well. Actually, I don't know the map at all. It's really dark. I should have left my light on. My room light. Okay, get out this freaking room, because there's nothing in here for me. Okay. Oh, right here.
Finally. I think I can use that. This could be useful.
I honestly didn't. At first, I didn't know what to make my. Oh, you fucking bitch dive. Stupid ass, fucking ass food. Probably eat your ass and live it. Anyways. I need a phone thingy again. One over here? Yes. I might have to turn my my sensitivity up for my mouse because I know y'all see me when I turn. It's like really,
This looks sharp.
And this is a horror game, so I'm not gonna edit it and put music behind it. I'm talking way too much, y'all. I'm so sorry. Ew! What the fuck is that, bitch? Bitch, get me out of here. I mean, the bugs are like in my ear. They're like actually irking my nerves. Get out, bitch. Okay. Where the fuck am I? Okay, get over here. Okay. Get me the fuck out of here, game. Come on. Ooh, my power. Barge, it's locked. I don't want to do that.
They're here.
Bitch.
Stay calm.
Oh my fucking god. Can I help you? Why are you guys over here? Like, go away. Y'all build like SpongeBob and Patrick for real. Biggie 1 and Biggie 2. On my side. Okay. That's like another way to go. Because these girls over here. Okay. What's over here? Why did I go over here?
Thank you, God. I need this.
Ain't none over here, is there? Level 3? Grandpa finna get stabbed in his fat chest. Oh my god, I didn't even do that. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Bitch. Gosh. Bitch, this is my chance. Go do it. Oh, it's a trap right there. Bitch, go. Someone's dying. Bitch, go, 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 go. Bitch. Oh, power! Get in, get in! Oh, MG.
God, you seem like finally someone I can trust. It's in your eyes.
Oh, it's not just us two, is it? It's not. I haven't seen Anna Wintour in a while. Anna Wintour? Hello? Contaminate? Oh, no, nothing to do that. Okay, let's find some health, maybe? The Ray can never. No, kidding. There should low-key be a perk on this game where, like,
My baby.
you can't get scammed by Grandpa. That'd low-key eat. Okay. I've already been in here, but that should be, yeah,
Pretty bad. I hope this helps.
Okay, let's go. I think this is the way I got out last time, maybe? Oh! It's okay, cause we finna go up there. We gonna stab Grandpa, y'all. We might die for it, but we gonna stab him. Just wait. It don't even matter. Oh my gosh. Grandpa's in his house. Ah!
Never mind.
The fuck is Grandpa? I thought I saw him.
Let's stick together.
Ah! Shut up! Yeah, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead, bitch. Let me in.
I'm not sure I can make it.
Papa! 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 Please, Papa!
Find my boy.
Hey, why is his ass in my face? That should stink. You dingleberry bitch. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm playing. I don't know why I just said that. Okay guys, back into another game as the one and only Big Booty Julie. Big Booty Julie? Big Booty Julie? Because I fucking playing with me, which no, I'm playing, I don't know. We have to, come on. Who got time to be? Oh yeah, we gotta. Who got time to be? Oh, fuck Grandpa. With his ashy ass.
Where's this go?
Okay.
Stay calm.
Okay, Anna. Okay, Anna. Bitch. Shh.
Hey, what's this?
What's that? What's that door with the red light on it?
This. Can I use that?
Oh, it's nothing. Oh, this must be the slaughterhouse map, right? No, it's not. I think it's one of the new maps. One of the maps I don't remember playing. Oh, this is the way out. Girl. Fuck. Hello? Hello? Papa? More movie?
You'll never see this. Always works.
Papa, more movie? Papa, no movie, he said. Okay.
This will help. Anything will help. A lockpick?
Okay, so I'm on this map then. On the other bitch. On the other I think this is it right here at this door. Oh, MG. Oh, she has the new Connie outfit. Hey, girl. Y'all finna get me killed though. What are you doing over here, sister? OMG.
Why won't they leave me alone?
Yeah, I don't know what to do. Bitch.
Alright.
Bitch, run. Bitch, I'm gone. Bitch, I'm gone. Bitch, I'm gone. Y'all can't play with Big Booty Julie, girl.
Think.
OMG, though. What?
We ain't letting you off.
Ariana, what are you doing here? So he's camping this door then? Okay. Are they together? Are they all on? No.
Well, ain't you shifty? Like me.
Like me? What is this boy talking about? Shut up. Dumbass bitch.
You know, they're over here.
Connie, I don't know what your sorry pussy ass is doing, but you need to go. Bye, bitch. Whoa. How did you just know I was right here, though? Like, answer the question. Honest, like, truth? I need you to answer it immediately. Bitch, fuck you. Fuck you. Honestly. Okay. Bitch, you're supposed to be out of that juice. Ha. Ha. Bitch, get me down here. I hate Bubba. I really do. People that made him need to literally jump off a cliff. Like the Grand Canyon, perhaps. Because there's no way you're playing that man. Just because it's his game. Bitch, where's the healing thingy? Let me show these people who I am. My shit. Heal, bitch. Come on, let's go. What do you mean they escaped? Great. Are they escaping without me, bitch? Like, what are they doing? Bitch, don't be fake now. Give me the small one. Come on, girl. Let's go. Bitch, they escaped? Oops, I didn't do that. Oh, well. How are they... Oh, alley escape. What is that? That's the front door, is it not?
I have to watch myself. I think it's clear. Maybe.
Bitch, she's dead.
They're everywhere.
It's red mean? Juice box open.
Are they gone? Are they really gone?
What did he say? I can't read the chat anymore. Damn, I don't have the fucking fuse though.
They could be anywhere.
I'm dead. That's stupid.
This is your own fault. You should have better known better than to come around here. Now,
Bro, everybody just like left. Thank you for watching. Look out in the future for my face cam or whatever. I don't think that's really important. I just feel like people get more views when you actually see the YouTuber's face, so they can actually know who they're watching. That's what, at least that's what I think, because I like to watch people who have face cams. But anyways, enough of the babbling, bitch. Good shit, shut up, Pharrell. Check out my stream. I stream almost every day. If I'm raging on games, just know it's not how I am, I promise. It's just the game I'm playing, especially Tekken 8. But anyways, thank you for watching. see you next time.